Hello friends, katal job ni notification ate hastine jobs YouTube channel no rajotna lamsago fighting kesang tini SGMC and GBP Hospital Agotala ni bisingte katal kaisa job ni notification alenai 14 September 2023 tarikh no kormane notification o post sangka purely temporary contractual basic for 11 month ni bagai na tilangjaknai fighting kesang post wise vacancies te qualification te experience ni details na lenai ek number narsing officer ni bagai 10 ta post tongnai UR 5 ta ST 3 ta HC 2 ta tongnai as living ke 18 is 40 years minimum qualification ke ora degree of BSc nursing khajananai experience ke COVID-19 duty cardiology department neurology department tongna nangnai अंके salary ni details noro kaham ke nai nadi 2 number अंके card lab technician neurology department ni bagai UR ni bagai post ekta tongnai as limit same na tongnai qualification अंके physics chemistry and biology subject lagai no high secondary pass khajananai 2 number jok tango diploma in CAD lab technology khajananai experience अंके oro neuro investigation ni tongna nangnai 3 number अंके card lab technician cardiology department ni bagai UR ni bagai post ekta tongnai as limit same na tongnai qualification ke physics chemistry and biology subject lai no high secondary pass khajananai diploma in CAD lab technology khajananai experience ke cardio investigation tongna nangnai 4 number ke EEG EMG NCB technician ni bagai post UR ni bagai ekta tongnai as limit same na tongnai qualification ke physics chemistry and biology subject lai no high secondary pass khajananai diploma in neuro electropsychology khajananai experience ke neuro electropsychological ni studies khajananai dialysis technician ni bagai post 6 ta tongnai UR 3 ta ST 2 ta HC ni bagai ekta tongnai qualification ke at least 1 year certificate in dialysis technique ni tongna nangnai experience ke 2 year diploma course in dialysis technology ni khajananai BSc in dialysis technology course ni experience tongna nangnai data entry operator ni bagai 10 ta post tongnai UR 5 ta ST 3 ta HC ni bagai 2 ta tongnai qualification ke graduate diploma in computer application ni 1 year course khajananai typing speed per minute 40 watt tongna nangnai experience pulmonary function test ni bagai ora post ekta tongnai UR ni bagai qualification ke pulmonary function test ni certificate tongna nangnai 1 year ni Dear friends, noro jara jara post ni bagai application khainai noro SGMC ni website ja tongo o website thangani noro online form fill up khai mano nike aro documents ni details ja tongo noro kaham khe nai di notification video ni description ni dinai Dear friends, omo hai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai sabru khai ditai noro katal job ni notification nogoi mannai